baby mullets. That is massive, bruh. That is a real big one, eh? I don't know, I have to measure him.
That has to be a 25.
Has to be.
That is a big 5.
Yep.
25?
It's a keeper.
How much is it?
These are 28. 29.
29, Mum! For 29!
Yeah, Skull! That's another big one.
Not hard!
Wow, that might be another keeper.
Probably. Sheesh! He's having more luck than us.
I know. They've only just started. It's fun, isn't it? Come on! Come on! Big Skippy. That's a decent Skippy, eh?
That's right, it'll be a nice little
Hell yeah.
beautiful.
Nice.
First time I've ever seen someone pull a fish out of the water here.
That is one nice Skipjack Trevally. Decent size.
That's a nice catch. Yeah.
Probably still too small. I'll go size him for you, mate. Get back out there. Oh, that's a big bite. Oh! Might be another Skippy. Oh, he's fighting hard. Looks like it is. Only small, whatever it is. Nothing big. Nah, bigger than a blowy.
A little baby snapper. A baby snapper.
Hey, that's not bad size.
That's a big little pinky.
Yeah. It's a pink snapper. Look at the colours on them. Oh, it's perfect conditions. Can we do this? Oh, he's got a fish on. Just about.
We got a few last night with only little tiny bass.
Yeah, we got a 30 here last week. Are they looking or what?
It's a beauty, yeah.
My first fish I caught in the eye, and then last night I caught it in the same spot in the eye.
Oh yeah, you reckon?
Oh, maybe not. Bending a bit.
Yeah, there is. It looks like there is.
There's one on there.
We've got another one on the other rod.
I know, it's an actual fish.
Oh, the little ones are going. What do I do about?
Oh, that's a good one. That's a big one. That's a keeper. Look at that!
That's huge.
Look at that!
And all the while you're fishing over the other side.
Yeah, I thought I'd come check on them because they're in the water.
Yeah, they fall over.
Lovely, that's lush.
Oh, that's a big one, man.
By the time we...
Woohoo! That's a keeper. He's a monster! Ah! Beautiful brim. See, just off the small hook, see? Don't have to be massive hooks.
Have you got one?
The drought continues. Can catch the small ones. Ah! That's a snapper size! What the? Whoa, whoa. This is what people go out on boats for, man.
Awesome. You want to get your rod out again?
They're out there, man. This is the bite time. Look at that.
Awesome.
Oh, really?
It's a good one. Here we go, the young lad. Can he do it? Here it comes. It looks good.
Yay!
Yes.
Well done.
Now, is that gonna be size? I reckon it might just be under. Well done, Carter. You've done it again, bud. Would you get him underneath?
Yeah. Sorry, buddy.
Bleeding.
I know.
Oh, underneath it's bleeding.
Should survive. Yep, he's good. Well done, bud. Another one. Oh, wow. That's 3. Must be that rig.
And these spiky, so you have to
Just hold him on the fat bit.
his head.
I need like a
Yeah.
tail thing.
No, you don't. Just hold him around the fat bit. Underneath.
There.
3. Oh, he's on. First fish of the day. Let's go, Pete. Make it happen, buddy. Yes, a Tailor. Yeah. Nice size, brother. Right on Dawn. Ha ha! Righto. Let's try this, eh? What was that? Oh! Oh! That was massive! Why? Come on! That was a huge bite. That was like those big skippies again. It's gone now though. Alright, let's see if there's heads out there. Oh, big bite straight away. Yeah, it feels like it. Oh, finally got a fish on, have we? No. Livey coming right up from Mulloway. Get this little sucker on. That's what they are, whiting. Eh? It's bearable, it's bearable. we got here? It really wants to go. It feels sharky. Can't see a thing. Yeah, I'm close. I'm trying. I just want to nurse it in, mate, because it feels heavy. I don't want it to break off. Been down this road. Just got to nurse it in slowly. I think it's a wobby. It looks weird, eh? Still can't get him. Just don't want him to break off. It's a big banjo. Oh well. Yeah, you're a big bugger, aren't you? Look at you. Look at your spines on him. You're trying to turn yourself over, mate. Now I think he's hooked underneath, so yeah, he will be on the second set of hooks. Some say they're good eating, but I'm not keeping him. You're buggered, aren't you? Oh, not what I wanted. You can't get in now, you're rooted, mate. Yes, got the rig back.
And he's gone in. Excellent.
Thanks for your help there, brother.
That's all right, bro. Well done.
Now, we may be able to send another one.